Hi, I'm Mark Duclas and welcome to the dogs.com.au website, the new home of everything greyhound racing. We've now added a comprehensive expert form section which includes the option for you to customise the information that you view. To access the expert form on your desktop computer, select any race from a race meeting and then select the blue Expert Form tab. Instantly, a raft of information is available, including the greyhound's key details, its last 5 runs with race videos, as well as additional data such as its weight record. You'll also notice 3 new filters have been added above Greyhound 1, and these filters allow you to customise the details of each greyhound in that particular race. By selecting the Starts filter, you can adjust the amount of runs you see for each greyhound in that event to either 5, 10 or 20. In this instance, we want to view their last 20 starts, so we select 20 starts and then update. The Sort By filter allows you to change the way the details are displayed, either up or down, or ascending or descending. If we want to set the information so the greyhound's last run appears first, we select the Sort By filter and then Date, and then select the Sort Direction filter, Descending, and then Update. You also have the option to change the ascending or descending function for any part of the form displayed. If we wanted to see a greyhound's record from boxes inside to out, we would select Box, then Ascending, then Update, and the box column now displays that greyhound's runs from boxes 1 through to 8. If you want to change the way you view information for just one dog, we simply utilise the tab shaded in grey to move the information either up or down, and you can do that for any section that is displayed. Other interactive functions available include the ability to add a greyhound to your black book, print out the form for the selected race, and for those punters wishing to go to another level, you can even export the information into a CSV or Excel file. If you wanted to view the information the same way each time you access the expert form for any race, all you have to do is update your profile. Under your username tab, select Update Profile. In the Customise Expert Form section, you can then select how many starts you want to see, the column you wish to highlight, and then the ascending or descending option. Once you save those preferences, they will then become the rule for your expert form. If you're viewing the information on a mobile device, the same rules apply, with the added capability that the form information can slide across the screen. And for the best viewing experience, we suggest you turn your device to a landscape view. The brand new Expert Form function is just another great option available on the all-new thedogs.com.au website. Good luck, and we hope you find plenty of winners.